Get into a car with value. 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Connect with comfort and convenience in this practical-minded Corolla Cross. Versatile, efficient, and equipped with desirable driver assist and infotainment tech. It's your daily driver dream come true. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, leather steering wheel. You don't have to give up comfort to get efficiency. Get the best of both worlds in this well-equipped Corolla Cross. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.